Here we have another package for video review. I think I know what this one is. Let's check it here. Mystery box. So this is the Ottocast AirBox P3 Pro. And this is basically an adapter for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And I have a car that is going to be perfect for this because it does not have Apple CarPlay, and this is exactly the use for it. So let me go and get the car and we'll work on it. So here we are with this Rivian R1S quad. This is the most powerful version of this electric SUV. Very luxurious cabin, 285 miles of range with 91% of the battery, so it's pretty good on that sense. This kind of adapter is a replacement for this kind of situation. If you want to watch something on your phone while you're in the car, instead of having it here in the car and like not secure, gonna be able to put it here on the screen. Obviously not like this, but to mirror your phone on the screen. So let's do that. So this is gonna be the solution for this. Let's open this. I don't have any nails, so I don't know how I'm gonna open this. Really luxurious look in this Ottocast. So here are the different wires to connect it. Let's see which one is the ideal one for this. It has an adapter too. So here are the USB ports right there. Let me try it here. So it's on. You can see it there per device. So here it is connected to the... So as I've said before in other videos, it pays to read instructions. And this Ottocast AI box is not compatible with the Rivian because Rivian does not support Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So I'm going to connect it here in this Honda CRV. Connect a new device. So I'm going to connect my phone here. Get rid of the Rivian because it didn't work. The OttoBox is connected to my phone already. Oh, here's my phone. It's connecting. Pair. Allow. And the OttoBox is on. So here I'm playing my podcast. We don't need that now.
LAX Airport, California.
Oh, there you go.
Head east on Southwest 86th Street. Then take the first left onto Southwest 58th Avenue.
So there it is. I set it up. I put a crazy destination because this is the LA airport and I'm in Miami, so 2,753 miles, 38 hours, but we're not doing that. So here with this Ottocast box, you can do many other things. You can watch videos. Let me see, where was the app? I saw it before. Let's download the app here for a moment. Okay, open. Let's add the device. Well, it's asking me to create an account. I'm not gonna do that because this is not my car. This is someone else's car. But you can do a lot of different things. You can obviously use wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, but here are some of the other details. So basically this device mirrors your phone on the screen, so you don't have to watch a video here on your phone. You can put it on the screen. Compatibility, we just went through that. Car has to have from the factory Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Again, you mirror the entire phone and you bring it into the display. You can integrate all sound to the car's built-in audio system, so the better the audio system is in your car, the best quality you're gonna get. So basically you use that screen as it was your phone. I'm not gonna able to show you all the features in this video, again, because this is not my car. I'm just showing this as a demonstration. But check the link here, go to the website and you'll see how good this product is. Pretty cool product. OttoAibox P3 Pro. Thumbs up.